Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. CBSE and NCERT has announced a very important free online training program for teachers, school leader and educator. The program is titled NEP 2020 Empowering SEDG. Now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE yesterday, which is 21st July 2026, with the subject NEP 2020 Empowering SEDG Online Training Program. This training program will be conducted from 27 July to 31st July. So it's a 5-day online training program. So duration is from 21st to 31st July. Timing is 12:45 to 1:45. Remember, this timing is for YouTube live session. You can watch in your free time also, not necessary that you need to watch during this time only. Next, you are going to get e-certificate, but condition is you should score 70% or above in online quiz at the end of the program. This is the registration form. You need to fill this registration form, and for other detail you can go on this website. So now first let's go on this website. So I have provided the link in the description as well as in the comment section. Once you click on it, you will come to official NCERT website with this 5-day online training program on NEP Empowering SEDG. Now if you scroll down here, other details are given, like these are the objective of this training program. These are the 5 objectives. Next, who can participate? Anybody or everyone interested in learning SEDG and quality education can participate. Program schedule is same. Now let's see the detail day wise. So day 1 topic will be Principle of NEP and 2020 and Understanding SEDG. Day 2 Ensuring Access to Quality Education. Day 3 NCF. Day 4 ICT. And day 5 From Policy to Practice, Implementation Challenge and Work Way Forward. Now how to participate and get certificate. So step 1 is registration process. Registration already started on 14th July and it will close on 27th July. So you have 5 days to register, and this is the registration form, which is a Google form, or you can scan this QR code from this website itself. Next, after registration, step 2 is watch live session. It's always better to watch live session, but since school will be going on during this time, you can watch during evening time in your free time. Next, after that, your step 3, get the certificate through Diksha enrollment. So you need to access the Diksha, register on Diksha, access the course, or you can search and enroll also, but it will be available after 31st July only. After all the live sessions you can access. Then complete all the 5 modules, attempt quiz and get 70% and above, then download the certificate. Now let's see the registration form. So you just need to click on this link, and as you can see, your registration form is open. So this is the registration form of your thing. Here they are asking your detail like name, gender, email ID, designation, name of organization, country, state, then what is the full form of SEDG. Questions are there. What is the school structure under NEP? What is the primary goal of NEP 2020? What is the full form of NCF? Which approach to learning is encouraged? What type of learning is promoted by NCF under NEP 2020? Primary purpose of integrating technology. Universal design of learning UDL. Which fund is proposed in NEP 20 to promote gender equality? What is the full form of SEZ in NEP 2020? So fill your detail, attempt this quiz and click on submit button. NCERT has officially released this in their Instagram handle as well. So this is the Instagram account of NCERT India, blue tick you can see. Here also same detail they have written. It is completely free of cost. E-certificate will be given. Last date to register is 27 July. So register as soon as possible, and this is the link which I have already provided in description of this video. So if you are a teacher, principal, school leader or educator, Do not miss this free national level online training program from 27 to 31st July 2026. You will gain valuable insight into NEP 2020 inclusive education and also earn certificate after successfully completing the quiz. If this video was helpful to you, like the video, hype the video, share it with your colleague and subscribe to the channel for latest CBSE, NCERT and teacher training update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay safe and keep learning.